Join me as I try to uncover Kedarnath's hidden beauty by creating stunning bottle art. Can I capture the essence of this incredible place? Kedarnath, a place of breathtaking beauty, nestled in the heart of the Himalayas. Its stunning landscapes, serene temples, and vibrant culture have captivated the hearts of many. But have you ever wondered how to truly capture its essence? For me, the answer lies in bottle art, a unique and creative way to showcase the beauty of this incredible destination. Traditional photography can only do so much to capture the grandeur of Kedarnath. Sometimes it feels like no matter how many pictures we take, we just can't do justice to its natural beauty. The play of light, the majestic mountains, the tranquil surroundings, almost like our cameras can't quite grasp it all. That's where innovative art forms come in, like bottle art, which offers a fresh perspective on this stunning place. Bottle art is more than just painting on a bottle. It's an intricate process that requires patience, skill, and a deep connection to the subject. I started by collecting empty bottles, each one telling a story of its own. I then sketched out my design, inspired by Kedarnath landscapes, flora, and culture. With a brush in hand, I began to bring my vision to life, carefully crafting every detail. From the colors to the textures, each element was meticulously chosen to reflect the beauty of Kedarnath bottle art. I found myself lost in the world of Kedarnath. Every brushstroke, every color choice was a reflection of my connection to this place. I drew inspiration from the snow-capped mountains, the lush green forests, and the vibrant prayer flags that dot the landscape. My bottle art became a way to express my love and admiration for Kedarnath, and I hope it does justice to its beauty. One piece that I'm particularly proud of is a bottle art depiction of Kedarnath's temple. I spent hours perfecting the intricate details, from the architecture to the surrounding landscape. Watching the time-lapse of its creation was like reliving the experience all over again. For me, this piece represents the serenity and spirituality of Kedarnath, and I'm excited to share it with you. Through this journey of creating bottle art inspired by Kedarnath, I've discovered a new appreciation for this beautiful place. Art has a way of enriching our experiences, of making us see things from a different perspective. I hope that by sharing my creative process with you, I've inspired you to explore Kedarnath in a new light. If you have a favorite part of the video or a personal experience with bottle art, I'd love to hear about it. Leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more creative content where art meets exploration.